Laughing. Hello, I'm Rob,
Maria.
and we're at Rob and Maria Trading, where we trade our funds every single day for many, many years, just options. We trade about 125 SPX 0DT trades every single day. And a lot of you asked that we come up with a smaller fund so that you can see what you could do with a smaller account. So we created this $30,000 fund, which trades 6 multiple entry iron condors a day. Let me go over those, what they are. We post a video every Sunday night that tells you all the times because it changes every week. We do 3.7 million back tests every week to determine our trades in 28 different strategies for our larger funds. And we just take the top 6 trades that are multiple entry iron condors. We're also doing open range breakout and exponential moving averages, reverse iron condors, and double calendars. But at any rate, you're going to do a put credit spread and a call credit spread. You're going to do $1.85. Some people ask us that's just for the short. It's just for the short, $1.85 for the short call and $1.85 for the short put. 50 wide wings, 95% stop loss. Again, the stop loss is just for the short. And you're going to do an OTO on the longs. If you don't know how to do that, you can just sell it manually. I like to use OTO so I can go swimming all day or surfing. So let's go to our results. Here they are.
Okay, what you see here is a listing of our account balance for every 2 weeks. Starting back September 1st for $30,000. A small decrease that second week, but from there on we were green. As of 11:15, we're up to $38,022.
Now drum roll, a big reveal for today's trades.
Today we were up $288.35 for a total of $7,527 since September 1st.
Nice.
It's up 24% in 80 days. Total of 114% rate of return.
High five. Nice rate of return. This trade's so bright. Got to wear shades. See what I did there? Pretty clever, huh? So at any rate, we know that the production value of these videos is terrible. It's only going to get better. No, it's fine. And then we know our acting's only get better. I mean,
yours.
I have a face for radio, so.
Really?
Yeah. So at any rate, all we ask for payment is that you tell us below what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. We've got one coming on calculating rate of return, trading with AI extensively, handling your hedging is one that you just did, right? And one on buying power, you did one also. And dealing with down days, the 3 words we never say, a whole bunch of them. And big news, big news, we have a new background coming, I've been told, because she won't do any more videos unless we get a better background, so we're going to get a better background, that's for sure. I can't wait to see that, although I'm in charge of it. At any rate, anything else?
That's it.
All right, have a great trading day. I hope you're a winner like we were today.
Have a good day.